I started this year off not feeling very motivated or creative, so I took some time to take a break, go to the beach, put my feet in the water, and get my mind together. Then I was ready to tackle my first project of the new year, changing this vanity area. The symmetry was off and the mirror was too small, so I decided to go for a mirror wall. It made the bathroom feel so much larger and it only cost me about $50. I started off by painting the wall black using Bear's cracked pepper. Renovations are exhausting, mentally and physically. I'm still trying to find balance and learn how to give myself breaks. It's like I get so focused on the finish line that I get tunnel vision and I don't want it to take over my life, but then when I take breaks, I feel lazy and anxious. It's like I need the creative outlet. I'm going to keep working on the house, but I'm also going to try to listen to my body more and give myself breaks when I need it. At the end of the day, slow motion is better than no motion. I bought these 12 by 12 inch mirrors from Lowe's. They were $14 for a pack of 6. I put a piece of Scotch mounting tape in each corner and then a couple dabs of liquid nails in the middle to stick the mirrors to the wall. I keep checking with my level to make sure that everything is straight and even. I put 2 rows at the bottom of the wall and 2 rows at the top and left a space in the middle so that I have room for a storage shelf. This was a fun project to get me back in the DIY mood, and now that I can see myself a little better, I can have a chat with the woman in the mirror and tell her to chill the fuck out.